you join me with a tumble dryer in my living room. This is my Defy tumble dryer, and over the past few days the belt broke, and no matter what amount of time I spent repairing it using all kinds of tape, and in this case we're ending up with duct tape, it would only hold for a week or so and then everything's busted again. So the repair I'm doing here is the repair section. Yes, you need beer for this. Everyone needs something to strengthen their patience. So here I'm looping the belt around and rejoining it as it pulled out of the previous joint I made. I do not recommend this kind of repair. A new belt is about $400. I highly recommend getting one of those or just getting a better tumble dryer. So there we go. The initial bond is in. Now just to reinforce this and to reinforce myself. The reason why this dryer started in the living room at the beginning of this video was I was selling it, and I did tell the person buying it that they will have to replace the belt imminently as it's not going to hold, and it lasted a week. So what you're seeing here was good for a week. They replaced it and they have let me know that it's running fine since. There we go, nice and snug. And this is the part where the belt goes over the spindle of the motor. Just pull it nice and tight. Stretchy. And just rotating it to make sure everything works. I'm going to work through the section of the tape, just listen to it. Oh yeah, that's some good stretching noises. Right, let's try it out. So it appears to work, although it does sound a bit weird. Thankfully these machines are extremely basic to work on. It's just basically a bunch of tin that you screw together, and at the back it's got the most amount of screws I've ever seen on any appliance. Right, time to put it back. I know this video was something different from the norm, but yeah, me trying to get something working in a very botched fashion seems to be the theme we're going with here. There it is, still works. I hope you enjoyed wasting your time with this as much as I enjoyed wasting my time with this dryer. That's the dryer when I got it in 2016. This is the ones that preceded it, same design, and this is what I replaced it with. Much better, much more efficient, unlike me. Catch you in the next one.